Hello everybody, I hope you guys are having a lovely day today. Today I want to introduce you to Jkskillhub's new service, which was already running in India, but now we've brought it to UK and Australia. So I'm very excited to announce this, and the service is called Digital Marketing. So with this service, people like freelancer, business owners, and anyone else who wants basically their business promoted to the next levels can get benefit. So the services we provide with digital marketing is SEO, search engine optimization, SMM, social media marketing, and SMO, social media optimization. And also we provide services like website building or any technical support that can enhance your business. For example, getting your Google business page done. So when you search on Google for your business name, so you can see your details and all your location and stuff like that. Also, the reviews on the Google itself, which helps people to get to your business as quick as possible. So apart from that, the website building services is quite important as well. So we provide that service so people can get benefit, and people can get everything all in one place. So you guys don't have to go outside to get like a particular service from anyone else. So we provide everything in-house at very affordable and exciting prices. So if you guys are interested, you guys can drop a text or leave your number below, and also you can send us an email. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.